have you done?
Motherfucker from the north, I ain't feeling what you feeling. Heard you rapping, made me snore. Y'all some fuck boys. Why the fuck would I need a report? Don't associate with clowns. Fuck around, you might get gorfo. Numb like I just popped a Norco. Smoking till I got the sore throats and all up in my system. I might just black out and leave all of my foes on the floor, ho. That is Pascal. I ain't really fucking with these rap clowns. I see you shaking, motherfucker, put the strap down. I'm off a pill, pussy, I might fucking lash out. I'm an all-star, you can get a smash mouth. You ain't even bout half the shit you fucking rap out. Took a fucking minute, vital signs is fucking back now. So sit your pussy ass down, bitch. Hey, you don't want no smoke, don't want no beef, bitch. Yeah, leave him on the street, motherfucker, straight spitting out teeth. King of horror, watch the flex, I want a verse, don't need your motherfucker. Bitch, I do my thing, little daddish make a scene, every flow is obscene. Nothing is out of my reach, pull up and watch them retreat. Give no reprieve, back from the dead, there is no need to grieve. There's no need to grieve. Yeah, running like you never heard you off.